Well, we are back, and we're back because I bought a new car. I bought GTI's replacement, so I'm not gonna waste any more time because I hate when people do that. Here she is. Let me focus. 2017 Audi S3, and I think this is Daytona gray, pearl gray. It has the chrome trims, everything, the red brake calipers. Currently on a winter setup, that's what the car came with. But to keep it short and sweet, I absolutely love the car. I've had this, today's Tuesday, I've had this car since Saturday. I went into the dealership kind of thinking I might buy it, kind of not. I drove it, I liked it. I saw the history of this car, the price, and I had to get it for a new daily. So I'm excited for the build. We already got some sauce. I mean, it's crazy. Where are the keys? Hold on, I gotta get the keys. All right, now we can get inside the car. But in less than 24 hours, oh shit. Less than 24 hours, I tuned the car. This car is already stage 1, running on 93. And the difference is crazy. The difference from stock to stage 1 is crazy. According to EQT's website, that's who I'm tuned by. According to their website, I should be at about 300 wheel, something like that. Of course, I haven't downloaded the car yet or anything, and it's not fully dialed in. Just the off-the-shelf stage 1 tune. Don't have their DSG tune yet. I'm running the Cobb OTS tune, so the transmission tune is a little bit quirky, so I need to get a EQT tune. But anyways, yes, it's a 2017 Audi S3. We got the radar. I mean, dude, if you don't have a radar, what are you doing? I mean, even if you don't speed like crazy, it's still nice to know where there are cops, especially if you're driving late at night. During the day, it's nice to know where the cops are. So if you haven't gotten a radar, please get it. Pay the $500. Mine was, I think, 500. The Escort 360 max, and you're gonna save yourself some tickets. Even if a cop is having a shitty day and you might pull you over for going 5 over, you're gonna have the radar knowing he's there, and you'll do the speed limit, and you'll save yourself from a ticket. So just my advice in this little video. But anyways, let's turn the ignition. We got the digital dash, we got the flat bottom steering wheel, which I absolutely love. This steering wheel is like thin, has ventilated or whatever this letter called on the sides. Got the little screen. Bang & Olufsen system, crazy good. I mean, I am surprised by how good the audio system is in this car. I was actually shocked, not gonna lie. So that's sick. We have the regular S3 seats, not the manual. I wish I had the manual RS seats, but it doesn't. Once again, this is the daily. Got it for a good for a good price, so I can't complain. Whoa, let's not get copyrighted. Another thing, this car does have 82,000 miles. So you might think this is a higher mileage car. Why would you go from a GTI that had 10,000 miles to an S3 that has 82,000 miles? So let me tell you why. So the reason, the thought behind getting a car with 82,000 miles is that this is a daily. First of all, this is a daily with 82,000 miles. Means the price is way lower than a car with lower miles. Another thing, this car, I bought this from a dealer here in Chicagoland area, and this car was sold at that dealer and maintained there its whole life. I saw the whole Carfax of this car, what has been done, and it's been up to service. The DSG transmission fluids has been changed twice. Brake and rotors, rotors and pads not too long ago. Consistent oil changes. Everything was done at the dealer. Literally, there's not a single repair thing on the Carfax that was not at that dealer. So that kind of gave me a peace of mind of getting this car 82,000 miles. Another thing, this car was lady driven before me. So that car got traded into that dealership and they knew who was driving that car. It was not some 16-year-old that tuned this car and, consistently beat on it, it was just a lady driven car. So that was another green light for me. I bought this car to modify it, to make it quicker. So I would rather, let's hope it doesn't happen. Let's hope it does not happen. But if, let's say, eventually the car, the engine, something goes wrong with the engine, I'd rather rebuild this engine and, you know, pay way lower price for this car than blow up an engine that, you know, that only has 20K miles. So that was another reason behind it. The cheaper the car, if it does blow up, I can rebuild the engine, worst case scenario. And last but not least, I and my brother, we both work on cars. So I'm not gonna have to take this car to a dealership or to another shop to get stuff done. If it's pretty simple stuff, I can fix it. If it's a little bit tougher, my brother can help me out. So those are all the reasonings behind this car. So kind of hopefully makes sense. It made sense for me buying this car, going from a 10,000 mile car to a 6-year-old car with 80,000 miles. So I don't know, everything about it made sense. This car is in great condition. The interior is not beat up at all. Seats are almost perfect. The steering wheel does have a few scratches on it. Besides that, I mean, this car has been maintained pretty well. Rear seats are like unused. I mean, anyways, nobody would even fit in those back seats. But yeah, that's the interior of the car. Gonna give you guys another shot of the interior. Can't really see much. This light kind of sucks, not gonna lie. But digital dash, everything is clean. Now moving on to the outside. Like I said, we have the Daytona Gray Pearl or something like that. I know it's a Daytona Gray, that's the color of the car. We have some decent winter wheels. I mean, honestly, they don't look bad at all. Like, it kind of fits the car. So I'm gonna get a summer setup with some stickier tires, because the goal with this car right now is to run 10s in the summer. So of course we're gonna need a better setup. We got the red brake calipers, which really stand out with these wheels. Chrome trim, which I was really iffy about. I really wanted the black optics package, but since this car does have the chrome trims, I don't know if I'm gonna do much on the outside of the car. I don't really wanna wrap the trims, and I don't wanna do blacked out grills, lip, diffuser that are all black, and then just leave the trims chrome. I don't know yet. I haven't made up my mind. I might not do it, but first we are gonna work on performance. As you guys can already tell, we're working on it. We're in stage 1. So yeah, here it is, my clean 2017 Audi S3, and I absolutely love it. I mean, I've owned it for a few days, and the stage 1 tune really woke the car up. I don't know if I'm gonna do a catback exhaust. These kind of cars do sound pretty bad with an exhaust, so I might just do a catalyst downpipe, and we'll just keep the catback stock, and we're gonna work on making more power for the summer so we can run 10s and embarrass the V8 owners. Hopefully you guys like this little reveal of the car. I think once I dial in, once I get the EQT DSG tune, I'm gonna do some 0 to 60 runs, see what we're running. I didn't get any of the stock numbers. I was just way too excited to tune the car, so we don't have stock numbers. We're gonna do stage 1 numbers, get 0 to 60 in quarter mile time, and then we'll start working off of that. So yeah, if you guys wanna see me build this S3, please subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.